Party dudes and dudettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. If you're new here, welcome. Alright, today I'm working on my website here, Burn Automotive and Performance website. And I was thinking that maybe I could ask you guys to share the website link. I'll leave a link in the description. You can copy that and maybe post it on your Facebook or whatever social media group and say, hey, come check this place out. I'm not saying spend any money. I'm not saying that you should go here to get services, but I am saying that you should keep it in mind and consider this place. I have a lot invested into Burn Automotive and Performance, and I'd really appreciate it if you guys would just at least check us out. You know what I mean? So here at Burn Auto and Performance, we aim to prevent problems before they happen. We use the latest vehicle diagnostic technologies and the highest quality parts for servicing and repairs. Whatever you need, we have the skills to do it right, and that's 100% true. So that's why I have this here under services. All right, we can handle both major and minor vehicle repairs. All right, 50, 100K mile tune-ups. You can have 200K, 300K. We don't care. We'll take care of your vehicle. All right, we do brake maintenance, electrical repairs. I got to fix my lips. All right, engine diagnosis, we can do that easy. Suspension work, restoration jobs, no problem. Oil changes, AC repair, easy stuff. We can move along with that. We can do a lot more than that. All right, preventative maintenance. You're a busy person. Don't let vehicle problems get in your way. Burn Auto and Performance has the proper equipment and experience to locate, repair, and or replace the issue quickly and effectively. Call us to take care of your preventative and maintenance. Preventative. I told you my lips is being really weird right now. Preventative maintenance needs today. All right, we can take care of anything for you. Preventative maintenance, you need a tune-up, you need to just, your spark plugs, oil change, air filter, any maintenance issues that you have, we can do that. All right. Transmission rebuilding. All right. I have, just a heads up, the only 65 RFE transmission in the world that's holding over 1,000 horsepower to the crank. And we dynoed that right here at our facility. All right. Transmission rebuilding. Our transmission rebuilding services are what set us apart from other mechanics. That's pretty true since I have the only 65 RFP transmission in the world, handling over 1,000 crank horsepower. All right, pretty cool deal. Okay, so making your vehicle work harder than it needs to will shorten its life. Drop it off with the pros at Burn Auto and Performance today. We know what to do. Absolutely. Yes, you guys do. You guys are awesome. All right, so performance mods. Burn Automotive Performance has the knowledge and experience when it comes to performance modifications. Burn Auto and Performance uses only the best parts and best tuning solutions. That's true. And if you think that you have the best tuner, guess what? We will allow you to use your tuner on our dyno. We will use your tuner as long as your tuner is willing to work with us. Okay? So you don't have to use us or anything that we suggest. If you have your best tuner, okay, that's fine, dude. One phone call away. That's how we work. All right, use only the best parts, best tuning solutions. Your vehicle will be right before it ever leaves our bay doors. Absolutely. All right, pretty cool deal. Here's something that I added on my website here. We're messing around with UTVs now, tuning and performance modifications. So if you guys are interested in anything like that, we can make that happen. This is something I recently added on the website. I think within a couple months. We're doing tuning, all right, for 2011 and up Ford 5.0, right? We're doing the Coyote motor. Okay, we do some really good tuning. We do Whipple superchargers. We can put a Whipple, a turbo, Pro Charger, whatever you want on your Mustang. We also do the full engine build. I want to play this right now, but it probably won't play because I'm in an editing mode on my website. But this is one of our flagships. It's the Burn unit. Okay, it's a built scat pack with a Whipple supercharger running around 900 horsepower to the wheels. All right, pretty cool deal. It's a fully built transmission, engine, everything, fuel system, you name it. Now, we do complete custom engine builds and installs. You guys might recognize this. This is one of my personal vehicles. Okay. All right, what we got here, some photos. This is a 426 with a Whipple, I believe. So like you see this here, a Elephant. Yeah, we be messing around a little bit. Corvettes, Pro Chargers, built engines. We do the whole thing, tuning, whatever you need, Z06s. It doesn't matter what it is. We got you guys. We'll take care of you. I'm telling you right now. Okay, so we're an authorized dealer, from many places. It might not be on the website. Okay, so we're an FRP authorized dealer, plus many other places. You just need to call and ask. It's sometimes it's kind of difficult updating the website constantly. All right, Brian Tooling Racing, we're authorized dealers. Look at this. This truck is awesome. I'm just going to tell you guys that right now. It was really cool to see it in the bay. Really cool car here. Mr. Norms. All right, something you don't see. Firebird. Pontiac. Look, we got you guys. Whipple. We're authorized Whipple dealers and installers with tuning options. Multiple. So if you want mild tuning to extreme tuning, mild daily driver, everything's cool, you're pretty fast, to extreme tuning where, bro, you're just blowing the doors off. Okay, we can, whatever you need. Whipple superchargers, we got you. Okay, we also, multiple cams, whatever cam you want. Okay, Pro Chargers, turbos, custom turbo setups. My truck is a custom turbo setup. Okay, we got you. This is my turbo right here, which eventually I'm going to probably replace that. I want to make a little bit more power and have a little bit better turbo, okay, under there. All right, so we'll go from 922 horsepower to the wheels. We're going to push that up to like 1100 or so. I think would be a pretty cool deal. All right. Anything that you got, we can work on it, okay? Hellcats. A lot of times, we have the dealerships out here in Vegas, especially if you have a modified Hellcat, they'll send the Hellcat over to our shop so that we can diagnose and fix the problem, okay, because they can't do it at the dealership, which is a pretty cool deal. All right, so we got suspensions. So if you need a lowering kit, a lift kit, a leveling kit, we could do that for you. Whipple superchargers, cams, pretty much we have cams that we suggest, and then if you really wanted to, you could bring whatever cam you wanted. It's cool. We'll make it happen. All right, Pro Charger, we got you. We do that. All right, all this stuff all day long. Authorized dealer for JLT intakes and S&B filters. All right, pretty cool deal. All right, hours of operation, we're Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We're closed Saturday and Sunday. If we get enough business, we will be open on Saturday and Sunday for sure, especially if you're really trying to get your project done for an event. Here's my truck right here. Pretty cool truck. Burn Automotive and Performance. I'm going to leave the link in the description. All right, I'd really appreciate if you guys would share this website. It would be really cool of you. Yeah, we can do it all. I mean, the experience that we have, all right, is pretty phenomenal. We when it comes to Mopar, we pretty much know or know of everybody in the industry. When it comes to the LS area, we know or know of everybody in the industry. Okay, we're willing to work with anybody. All right, we're getting into UTVs. Okay, that's something that's a little bit different for us, but hey, why not? You know what I mean? Why not? It's got wheels, it's got an engine. Let's go. Let's do it. All right, this picture right here means a lot to me. Okay, when you see this picture right here, this is not taken at our current shop. This is at a shop that we were renting before the current shop that we're in. This is a sentimental picture right here. This Ram truck had quite a bit of work done to it really fast. All right, all these vehicles, quite a bit of work. This is at a different shop, and I took this picture and I said, hey, you know what, I'm going to hold on to this, you know, for when the times that we progress. I like to look back at it and say, hey, you know, we did a good job, guys. We're moving forward pretty good. So, pretty good deal. Now we got our own whole building with a dyno, you know, multiple bays, multiple lifts, every tool that you can think of. Okay, pretty cool deal. Yeah, so it would be pretty nice, you know, of you guys that are, you know, you guys follow along with this channel. You know, you live in Las Vegas, Nevada. It would really be cool if you guys would share the link to this website, all right, and maybe push a couple guys towards us. That would be pretty awesome. You know, I'm not at the shop all the time. Actually, I'm not at the shop quite a bit. I got a lot of other stuff going on. But if you really want me at the shop, or you really have some concerns, I could be there for you. No problem. I'll show up at the shop, you know, and we'll talk. But usually I'm not there. Okay. I got a lot of other stuff going on. A lot of projects. A lot of things going on. All right. But I just wanted to show you guys my baby. This is my website. Okay, I'm really proud of it. I'm really proud of the company. Okay, I'm really proud of everything that Burn Automotive and Performance has done. There it is, my lips messing up again and my tongue. All right, I'm really proud of this place. Okay, a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, we did a lot of projects, a lot of dyno tuning, a lot of custom stuff. You know, we really enjoy helping the customer. I mean, customer for us is number one. If you are a customer, you are number one. You put $1 in my wallet, guess what? I'm going to put 200 in yours, or at least I'm going to try to make you feel like that. Okay? Here at this place, I want you to feel good about your project, about your let's just say you have just a regular daily driver. I want you to feel good about that too. I want you to feel good that you got the best maintenance, that you got the best repair job done ever. Here. That's my goal. That's my mission. Okay, so far so good. Okay, and I appreciate each and every customer that made this happen. You guys are awesome. That's all there is to it. All right, you guys are awesome. Okay, really awesome. This is years of hard work right here, guys. A lot of people don't appreciate it because they just don't get it, which is fine. A lot of you guys out there appreciate it because you get it. And boy, I really appreciate you more than anything in the world. You know. All this hard work right here, I really hope that it just really pays off. So far, so good. You know, so far, so good. But If you guys could help me out, share my website. All right, anybody in the Las Vegas area, surrounding area, if you're Arizona, California, Utah, right? Any surrounding states, if you're pretty close and you need to get some work done, drop it off. Drop it off and I'll make it happen. Just to let you know, make it happen. All right, I need to add MI tuning on here. I need to add a few places on here, a few individuals. Okay, just so that they're presented properly. You know, maybe I should do that today. I got to call a few people and make sure that they're okay with that. I just can't put things on my website unless somebody's okay with it, you know. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you guys would check out my website. You know, I put a lot of work in it over the years. All right, a lot of people put a lot of work into the physical building itself, getting all kind of things done, making contacts, trying to, you know, do the right thing and make people happy. That's our business. We want to do the right thing and make people happy. We love making people happy. And if you come to our shop here and you get some work done, I'd really appreciate it if you'd give us a shout out. That would be pretty awesome. If you know, if you guys do, you know, and some don't, which is understandable. Nobody needs to go out there and just, you know, jump on Facebook or something and say, hey, this is the greatest place ever. I just got an oil change. You know, I get it. We do everything from simple maintenance to super custom projects. You know what I mean? Whatever you want, whatever you desire, that's what we're here for. All right, so we're about 17 minutes into this video. I'm going to go ahead and end it and just say that I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you for following along. I appreciate all the customers that came in, you know, and got some services done. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate all the employees at Burn Automotive and Performance. I appreciate all you guys, okay? I appreciate this right here is just something I wanted to share because I'm really proud of it, okay? And I don't think, some people, you know, they have a problem with me being proud of this business, you know, and all I have to say is maybe you should start your own business and start being proud of the things that you do, okay? We're proud of the stuff that we do here at Burn Automotive Performance. All we want to do is put a smile on people's faces. Yeah, we get paid, okay? Get it, it's a service, but we're not trying to do a service with a frown. No, sir. If you're not happy, we're not happy. Hot damn hell yeah, y'all the baddest? Get some.